So I decided to pull the trigger on a new drone. I really wasn't wanting to incur the cost right now, but I've been looking at this since I'd say probably 2015, maybe, wanting to get one. So the drone that I chose for content creation is the HoverAir X1 Pro Max. This is the third ideation of this. So right here, you can see the drone folded up. I've got it on a white background so you can get a good look at it. That's it folded up so that you could place this in your pocket. So if you can imagine yourself walking along and you want to take a shot somewhere or take a shot of something, and you don't even have your camera on you or a joystick, you can press this, a very long push, it'll activate it and put it into a mode. And what that mode might be, like maybe a bird's eye or a frontal shot, a side shot.
Current mode, bird eye.
And this one was already preset to bird's eye. I could go over in here,
dolly track,
change the modes,
ski mode.
and at that point in time, with one press, well, actually you have to have it focus on your face. In one press, this thing will hover. This thing will hover or go into whatever mode you had put it into for your shot.
Cycling mode, indoor follow, 360 spin, hover.
This thing can even work indoors. So this little drone is quite the transformer and quite upgradable. Three items here. This beacon can be used by itself. What you can do with this is if you were skiing or let's say riding your bicycle, what this will do is instead of connecting Wi-Fi, it'll connect Bluetooth and extend your range. So in this configuration right here, with just two of the items put together, the beacon and the controller, this could act kind of similar to a Wii, where you could motion the drone forward or backwards and control it, return it to home. I have found that I like this configuration best, where you're using the phone, the controller, and an app, and the beacon. You can go into manual control. In this manual control mode, you can, with the app, you can control it with those joysticks if you want to. Now I'm going to switch it into the beacon mode, where I'm just using that screen to view. It'll look a little bit different. When the hub is active, you get extended range, I believe. And you go into the app here in the manual control.
Manual control.
While using that controller and using the phone, you will get a first-person view. I'm zooming in on them. It's pretty neat. When you enter into the app, you can look at the hover settings. You can locate your hover device by using your phone's GPS. You have your album there, and you have your hover care, which I might get. If I go into my album, the album, it'll show me all the content that I created. It'll also give me options in what format I want to do. Let's say 1080, 4K, 30 frames per second or 60 frames per second. Polymer's come such a long way in its strength. I remember when the Glock first came out. This is beyond Glock material.